Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the LCD cover. You will see additional screws securing it in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. It's important to note the size and type of screws, as they may vary. Once the screws are out, gently lift the LCD cover away from the laptop. If it feels stuck, check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage. Now, before installing the new LCD cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring everything is done correctly. Once the area is clean, take your new LCD cover and align it with the laptop. Carefully press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, securing the cover firmly. After the LCD cover is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws around the edges to secure the back panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the display for any issues and make sure the new cover is securely in place. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP Envy 13BD0003NX. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.